Here I've got KAZAM Tornado 350, and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So let's start with the quicker method. At first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *# 06 pound. Just 1606 pound. And as you can see here, you've got the IMEI information. So here you can quickly find IMEI numbers for this KAZAM. So let's go back, and now I will show you the second method, a bit longer. But if you will not be able to use your phone dialer, you can open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Here just tap on Status and go to IMEI information. And here, as you can see, you will notice IMEI numbers. If you will go back, here you will be able to see what your serial number is. So that's it. Now you can find your IMEI number whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.